Today I have something totally awesome to show you. It's literally blowing my mind, I'm not even joking. It's Creality's new SLA printer, the LD-002. I know what you're thinking, the name isn't as sexy as the Creality Ender-3 or Ender-5, but trust me, the quality of this machine is a beast. No, actually, the quality is nuclear. And this machine has just come out of beta mode, so there's a few changes have been made as this is a final edition. So is this machine better than a competition? And I'll tell you after we set up this machine, and I'll show you how to print from it. So, if you want successful prints, please subscribe to me. Subscribing means you'll always get successful prints every time. It's magic. And let's get printing. Okay, now plug the machine in. Now, I'm peeling the screen cover off. I then took the UV cover off and attached the metal bed. Now loosen the Allen bolts so the bed will move freely up and down. Then turn the machine on and click Auto Home. This will level the bed. Put pressure on the plate as you tighten the Allen screws. Then I raise the Z axis so I can access the UV screen. Now we can peel the protective cover off. Then reinstall the VAT. The step lines equal to 140mm, 170mm, and 225mm, and 285mm. I'm definitely gonna write these numbers on. Then pour the resin into the vat. I wish the printer actually came with resin, because you're paying around £300, so I think I should better afford a bit of resin with that, just to test it. Put the UV cover back on and auto home again. Use the provided slicer and choose a model of your choice and stick it into USB stick, then stick USB stick into the printer. Then we press print and wait an hour or two. Please wear latex gloves for this, please. The resin really stung my hands and face. Once the model is printed, we take a model off the bed with a scraper, then we clean it with isopropyl alcohol. I'm so stoked with the quality, literally it's mad. Now let it cure in the UV light. England is forever sunny. Okay guys, thank you so much for getting this far in the video. This is the big exciting review part, and remember to subscribe if you want successful prints. As you can see from a test print, the quality is absolutely mind-boggling, and I can't wait to use it in future videos and props. So also subscribe to what's in. I also did a Bitcoin, which the texture is mad. I can't even feel it with my finger, but it still printed the texture, which is astonishing. The printer also looks aesthetically pleasing. I love the orange case. This reminds me of Tony Stark. The colour is just really modern and really beautiful. Also, it's really strong. It's blast proof. And I need it to be bomb proof as a lot of bombs explode in my room. The casing is all metal. Actually, most of the machine is metal. Aluminium. This gives the feel of quality. The touchscreen is really responsive, which I really like. I like how the on button is on the front, but I really dislike how the USB port is on the side. Why did they do this? I do not know. In the beta version, the print plate, or bed what we called it, had lots of holes in to increase adhesion, but luckily they removed that because it means that every print would have these holes sticking out of it. So I'm so glad they got rid of that feature. You only really need it on big SLA printers. One of the key selling points for this printer is a carbon filter in the back, which means all the fumes create, and there are actually a lot of fumes from this, and the fumes, they sort of give you headaches if you don't have the carbon filter, and they're pretty bad for your family. It might be cancer causing. So this is imperative. So just with that feature, I recommend buying this printer than any other budget printer, because not many of them have carbon filters except this one, and this one really works. The price of this printer is priced very competitively. For under £200, I'd highly recommend it. It's better than Elegoo Mars, it's better than the Proton, and it's built quality, as you can see. It's built really quality, and I will 100% recommend it. Please comment if you're going to buy this machine, and if you're not going to buy this machine, tell me why. And please subscribe if you want successful prints, and peace out.